Welcome back to Angela Mutavi Art, and in today's video I am going to be painting with oil pastels. I'm also going to use acrylic paint and some Posca pens. So over here, as you can see, I have a 10 by 20 canvas, and what I'm doing right now, I'm just going over the sketch just so I can make it a little bit bold, so when I paint it, I know where to put my paint colors. So please go ahead and watch it up to the end, and yeah, I'll show you the final painting at the end of the video. Thank you for being here, and talk to you a little bit later. But the battery on my phone died, and I didn't realize it until much later. But all I did really was to run a Posca pen all over the sketch, and also used these two colors. This is turquoise blue, and this is gold. And all I did was just to paint the scarf with those two colors. They are complementary colors, so if you look on the color wheel, you will see that they're opposite each other. I want to use those colors that complement each other. So, and now for the blouse, these are the colors I'm going to use for the blouse. This is Amsterdam primary yellow. This is scarlet red by Arteza, and this is Amsterdam primary cyan. So it's like a blue, cyan blue. So those are the colors I'm going to use for the blouse. So let's go ahead and get going here. I'm not going to be talking a whole lot because I want to concentrate on the painting. It's pretty much just putting paint on the canvas, and I'm going to space it out. Once I put yellow, I put blue, and I put red. That way they can, because they do complement, and also they are on the opposite side of the wheel. So yeah. That is my aim. Use complementary colors. now for the face of the girl, I am going to use burned amber on the face, and then I'll use different colors to highlight the face. For the girl's pants, I'm gonna use this turquoise blue by Liquitex Basics. So this is for here, and as you can see, the pants for the girl are part of the shirt of the man, and you will see that when I paint everything. So this is the arm for this man here, or statue, whatever this is, and then this is, you know, the shirt, the arm, sleeve, and the shirt, part of the shirt, buttons, and the rest of the shirt. Okay, it's time to start painting that statue in the background, and I mixed a few light, very light colors that I'm gonna use on the face of the statue. So let's go ahead and get started here.